How to add friends in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing Zooba and want to add your friends so that you can connect and play together, firstly open the Zooba game on your device, and once you're inside the game lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the Friends button from the top center. Inside the Friends tab, look for Add Friend on the left, and in the search bar, type in your friend's player ID or their ID code. After typing it down in this tab over here, click on Send Request. And if the code is correct, you'll be able to send friend request to one of your friends. Wait for your friend to accept the request, and once accepted, you can check your friend list to confirm they've been added. So that's how you easily add friends in Zooba. You can also go to the Request tab from the top right, and then if you have any friend request in this page, you will be able to accept it. So that was how you can add friends in Zooba game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.